Okay, now we're going to get to a whole different selection structure, and that's the switch statement. You will switch between specific cases. You can use it with number ranges too, but I personally don't like it that much because that kind of defeats the whole purpose of switching. If you have ranges, you really need to use if constructs, if, else if else, etc. Use a switch only for things like weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, things like freshman, sophomore, junior, etc., where you have distinct cases. Now, one thing that you have to be aware of is that it's important to use a break statement over here, because that stops executing when you're done with a specific case. If you don't use it, you could cause yourself some problems, but we'll look at that in other programs. So what is the syntax of the switch statement? Well, you have over here some character choice, and then you switch between, in this case, choice, or it could be switch classification if you talk about freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, etc. And then we use the case keyword and the specific instance of over here what we're looking at, whether it's capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. The default over here acts kind of as an else in the if, else construct. So this catches everything else, and that's probably a good idea too, because if you would do it without this default statement and you don't have an A, B or C, nothing happens. Okay, so let's have a look over here, and we're going to use a capital B. We enter the B. I'm going to do capital C. And we entered the capital C. And if I do a capital D, which is not one of the cases, then it will tell me you did not enter A, B or C. So that's correct. So remember the syntax. Use over here the switch keyword, and for the individual cases the case, and then whatever the case may be, and don't forget the break statement.